First, find a quiet spot and grab a pillow for Sukhasana. Sit on the edge of the pillow, placing your left leg under your perineum muscle and your right leg in front of your left leg. Find that perfect balance where there is no pressure on your body. Adjust yourself if needed. Keep your back straight because your spine acts as an antenna to the cosmos. Now take the Jnana Mudra pose, placing your hands on your thigh and focusing between your eyebrows, observing your consciousness, your chitta. Now it's time to connect with the divine. Slow down your breathing. If you find yourself drifting into the thoughts, refocus on your breath to bring back your awareness. Remember, your breath is your anchor. As you practice more, you will get to the spot where there is no thoughts, no feeling, no past, no future, and not even you. You will dissolve your physical identity and you become one with the source energy. As you practice more stillness in your meditation, there is a high possibility the universe will talk to you and will give you some insights, ideas, or downloads will happen, which will transform your life completely. So take a break from your busy life and do some meditation for at least 10 minutes a day, and you will see how your life transforms.